Yes, hello, my name is Matthias Sprenger. Together with my wife and daughter, we are the management of Mobil. For 40 years, we have been operating as a regional dealer for Eura Mobil and Karmann, and recently also as a dealer for Rhön Camp with all-wheel drive vehicles for the greater Stuttgart area.
Yes, we have divided the video into 4 sections. These are also the 4 pillars we have at Mobil in the company. On one hand, rental, sale, technical course, and workshop. And we go through it in exactly the same order as the customer does with us. First, he is in the rental, testing the vehicles, then he decides on one. To buy a vehicle, it will be upgraded technically, with advice from us in the technical course, and in the end, all items in our workshop are installed.
By the way, the name Mobil originated from a wordplay me representing mine and meet representing rental. Began as rental network in 1983 with 23 franchise businesses and over 2,000 rental vehicles.
In the rental agreement given to Mom for her temporary use.
In our rental, there is something available for all. We possess the small van. Wieder übers Tu. Different floor plans are available for the larger box vans from Karmann and Eura Mobil for rental. Then it continues with the Alkofen vehicles. From 6 meters up to 7 meters that. Partially integrated up to 7.5 meters, and finally our luxury class, the fully integrated ones from Eura Mobil. Bicycle holders are available on all vehicles in Class Alkoven according to our company's policy. Some semi-integrated models have satellite television and air conditioning, while satellite television and air conditioning are required in fully integrated models. If you cannot find your desired floor plan in our rental prospectus, simply give us a call. We can offer a wider selection, as we also have additional floor plans available for rent, because customers frequently pre-order vehicles that they subsequently take over at the end of the season. So there should actually be something for everyone. If you come back from a beautiful and relaxing motorhome vacation and are considering buying such a vehicle, you are welcome to contact my husband and daughter, who handle the sales for us.
Therefore, we have something very special planned for the 2024 season. Our goal is to have the ability to display all models, all floor plans, all furniture decors, all mobiles from Eura Mobil and all mobiles from Karmann in our exhibition for visitors to see and appreciate. The exhibition is named Kompletto, and it will, of course, gradually be filled up with the production series of the manufacturers as they are produced over time.
On our website, you can see which floor plans we have on site or when they will be delivered. And if you're here, if you're at the expo, then we all numbered the floor plans. There's a unique folder outside. Can you see, is the car there? Where is it? And if not, there's something like to see.
And when might the man come precisely? Yes, we display the automobiles here in our exhibition hall on the ground level, and above that, we have an additional hall where we lift the cars in a very spectacular manner using a crane. Overall, we have 10 models inside the hall, and the rest is parked in front of the building. Of course, we not only have new vehicles, but also sell used ones. A specialty are our many young used vehicles from our rental fleet and from the fleet of German motorhomes. We market these vehicles under the brand name Early Bird throughout the entire year. They will be delivered at the end of the season in November.
Yes, if it's a little bit special. Floor plan or special equipment requests So I'm not in the Early Bird program then. Do we also offer custom used ones? Desired used means that you order your vehicle exactly with your configuration, as you want it, and then we rent out your vehicle for a season and you get your desired vehicle on. Transfer at end of rental season.
And they also pay in the autumn, when everything is tip-top and in order.
Yes, if you have the right one. If you have a vehicle, it continues. With the right items for you. And now we take a look. In the technology course for Björn.
And that's when it starts.
We have redesigned the exhibition here with us, on the ground floor and on the first level. We have Kompletto exhibit, now we want to go to tech course. The entire distance going up until reaching the floor on the second level of the building.
In our tech course, I'll advise on motorhome installations, special, live on-site consultation in our exhibition and on our vehicles. Don't miss this chance. I advise on self-sufficiency, starting with charging technology, lithium batteries, solar inverters, and up to fuel cells. When it comes to multimedia, I advise you on satellite systems, mobile internet, and navigation systems. For sanitation, I advise on pump technology, water filter technology, water disinfection. Dry and separation toilets. For chassis, I can advise on air suspension systems, hydraulic leveling systems. Moreover, I recommend on bike carrier systems, cargo carrier systems, and trailer hitches. We offer this service not only for our brands Eura Mobil and Karmann, but for all manufacturers. I am your contact for installations and handle everything up to the workshop order.
Yes, up in tech we have. Additionally, our My Mobile Customer Cafe provides a comfortable space to bridge the waiting time. The focus of the technology course is clearly on technical consulting and workshop installations. Nevertheless, we naturally also have the typical items to take along that you simply need as a motorhome owner, such as leveling ramps, toilet chemicals, cable drum. Rent motorhome from us. If you have bought and still need the initial equipment, you can go through it here and equip yourself. By the way, anyone who buys a vehicle from us gets a 10% discount on all items from this thick, fat accessory catalog.
Now we proceed to the workshop.
Moment, there's still a small stopover. Our workshop is located at our new location in Breuningsweiler. By automobile, it takes 10 minutes from our main office in Remscholden to our service workshop in Breuningsweiler. If you drive from here to the top, please do not blindly follow the navigation system, but always make a right turn when you leave our property. If you go left, there's an underpass under the federal highway only 3.10 meters high, not high enough for most motorhomes. So we've reached workshop in Breuningsweiler. Here we are now. More space, we're leaving. Into workshop office. Yes, here is our acceptance counter. If you have an appointment, please sign in here. Now we can go to Giuseppe, our workshop manager's office.
We'll be glad to build everything you've chosen at Björn's Technic Parcour for you. We not only do that, but also everything else that arises around the motorhome will be fixed with us. We provide this service not just for Euro and Karmann, but also for all other brands. Here we are in our Chaosry and GFK hall. In the background, Mr. Usinger can be seen carrying out a GFK repair task with great expertise and precision. The side wall is currently being put into place, and that is not all that we do, but we handle everything thoroughly, including accident repairs on vehicles such as moisture damage and so on. We fix all things here, so you can observe a vehicle that is presently on the lift in this place. Here we naturally manufacture leveling systems, tow hitches, air suspensions, and everything that needs to be done underneath the vehicle. Our scaffold is designed for roof work, including satellite and solar system installation, air conditioning and lithium pack, inverter and radio system installation. We can install everything you need on the roof, such as a satellite system, solar system, air conditioning, and a lithium pack, inverter, and radio system. Our scaffold is perfect for all your roof work needs.
We have a large storage area above the workshop. The parts come in through the gate at the back on the ground level. They are stored here so that they are also timely available for the appointment. And the parts will be installed by you, given down here to workshop tracks. Yes, a lot of customers actually come from far places to our workshop and also have installations that simply take a few days. In this case, there is also a chance for us to be on site, to stay at the square. If you plan to do that, please let us know in advance so that we can schedule you and also explain to you how exactly it works. Prelim info, we have power supply everywhere and we do also have supply disposal spot. Yes, you can rest in the day. Keep us busy truly. We are in a lovely green spot. Many customers come with the bicycles on the back. You can do beautiful bike tours here, hikes through the vineyards, and we are also not far from Winnenden. Takes 10 mins by bus. He descends from there hourly. Quickly get to Stuttgart too. Yes, now you have once seen a sweep through our entire company. Just to clarify again, so we have 2 locations. Headquarters in Rimschalden, rental, sale, technical course. Second location in Breuningsweiler with large service workshop.
Also, our new workshop, with which we have tripled our capacity, is 7 minutes away from our main headquarters here. And if you are interested in working for MyMobile, we are always looking for skilled craftsmen, young and old, career changers, and of course salespeople in sales.
Yes, now you've met us via video. We'd like to get to know each other personally as well. We look forward to seeing you here, to greet you on site.